Hi and welcome to the Penny Black Wobble Card tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make this wobbly lion. For this project we will be using the leopard from the Jungle Fever Stickeroos by Penny Black. We will also be using the clear set Enjoy Life. For details on how to create the front of the card, please go to my blog. For the inside of the card we will be using Summer Sun Mix and Match cardstock and His Majesty's stamp, also by Penny Black. The lion has been stamped out 4 times and coloured with Copic markers. Details of the colours used can be found on my blog. You'll also need some acetate for the wobble. I'll now show you how to create the grass using Claudine Helmuth Studio Paints. As you can see here is a finished example. As you can see, I've pre-printed raw on the inside of the card. I will now take the sable brown paint and I will place it on my craft sheet in a long line. I'm then going to take my ruler and put the edge into the paint. I'm then going to carefully draw lines down onto the card with the edge. I do this for the whole of the card. I then repeat this process with the other 2 colours, yellow pastel and altered orange, to complete the grass. Once I've cut out all of the lion shapes, I'm then going to add a bit of dimension to the face using a flower petal shaper tool. I will do the same again for the nose. I then place a piece of acetate 1 by 1.5 inches onto the body of the lion. I place this and match it up against the head of the lion and mark a cross at the bottom of his nose. This will indicate where I want to place the brad to get the swinging body. I then punch a hole in the acetate. Next, I need to attach my brad. So I take one of the lion faces. I line up the body on the front so that I can see where the hole lines up. I then use my piercing tool to make a hole in the face. I then place the acetate behind the lion's head and put the brad through from the back. When you do this process, make sure that the swinging mechanism still works. It's important not to do the brad too tightly. For the wobble to work, you need to add a coin to a piece of acetate that is 3/4 of an inch by 3 inches long. I have used glue and extra strong double-sided tape for this purpose. I've then cut a line across the top of the lion's head, the same width as the acetate. Then place some more double-sided tape on the lion's face and some more on the back of the acetate. I'm then going to thread this through the slot that I've just created. Once this is threaded through, you need to make sure that it is really well stuck down. We then need to stick the other lion's head over the top of the coin. So I'm going to place some more double-sided tape onto the coin. Finally, to add an extra bit of dimension to his face, I'm going to use dimensional glue on the final 2 layers. This then completes the wobble element of the card. To attach the wobble to the main card, I'm going to fold down 1/2 inch from the top of the acetate. I'm then going to place my lion into the card, making sure that his feet don't dangle over the end of the card, and mark where the fold is along the top. This is where I will need to cut. Once I have cut through the line, I can then thread the acetate through and stick it to the back of the card using some extra strong double-sided tape again. This completes the main part of the wobble card. All that remains is to hide the acetate that was adhered to the back of the card. To hide this, I have chosen the frame from the Mimi in Paris set and the Enjoy from the Enjoy Life set. I've stamped these onto a separate piece of card and then mounted them onto the back. Thanks for watching.